you feel the dream is over, feel the world is on your shoulders, and you've lost the strength to carry on. Even though the walls may crumble, and you find you always stumble through, remember never to surrender to the dark. 'Cause if you turn another page, you will see that's not the way the story has to end. And if you need to find a way back, feel you're on the wrong track, give it time, you'll learn to fly. Tomorrow is a new day.
Halo guys, kita masih di mana? Kita di sini masih di mana itu? Di Kawaijen. Kita lihat iya.
And you will find your own way. You will be stronger with each day that you cry. Then you learn to fly. In your head so many questions. The truth is your possession. The answer lies within your heart.
Kita lagi di mana ini? Di Kawaijen. Kita lihat situasinya ini ya.